Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Close CRM. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you unlink or remove your Zoom account from your Close CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about that. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Zoom account from Close CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common to accidentally connect the wrong Zoom account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Close CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Close CRM and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to disconnect your Zoom account, here on the left side, you're going to click on the settings button here on the bottom left. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another gray menu here and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to click here on account and apps. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see your Zoom integration right here along with your email address for Zoom. And in order to disconnect your Zoom account, off to the right, you're going to click on this pencil icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to be in the Zoom settings. And in order to disconnect it, click right here. Remove account. It's in red. Next, you're going to get this pop-up. Do you want to confirm and remove your Zoom account? Click here on this red button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. And as you can see, my Zoom integration has now been removed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your Zoom account from your Close CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.